Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Roblox. The first thing you want to do is open Task Manager. And I don't have it running right now, but you want to find the Roblox player here. Then once you find the Roblox player, you want to right click on it and hit End Task. Now on to step 2. What you want to do is go to Advanced System Settings. Just type in Advanced System Settings into search and you can find that. Go to Advanced tab under Advanced System Settings, go to Startup and Recovery and click on Settings here. And from here, you're gonna see something called Write Debugging Information. You want to click on Complete Memory Dump and hit OK. And then restart your computer. After you have restarted your computer, go into search, type in Run. And from here, type in the percentage symbol, local app data percentage symbol. Once again, hit enter. This will bring you to this app data / local folder. And under here, you should see a Roblox folder. What you want to do is delete the Roblox folder. And then what you want to do after you have deleted the Roblox folder, and don't worry about this, this gets recreated once again after you have started Roblox. These are just temporary folders. So after you have done that, you want to go to uninstall, add or remove programs, and you want to uninstall the Roblox player from here. And then after you have uninstalled the Roblox player, you want to reinstall the Roblox player, and that should fix your issue completely. And if this did help you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.